Hi, I am Gail of 876 Documents. So in this video, I'm going to give quick answers to questions that I have received. Quick questions. Today I was asked, I am out of status, I'm not legal in the US. Can I renew my passport? The Jamaican government does not care what your status in the US is. You may renew your Jamaican passport. The next question was, if my friend is incarcerated, can I help them get a passport so that they are ready in case they're getting deported? No, I can't assist you. When you are being deported, the Jamaican government will be contacted to provide an emergency travel document for you. Next question. I currently have a 5-year passport. Can I get a rush service? No, you cannot. If you have a 5-year passport, your application must be accompanied by an ID, and the ID has to be sent down to Jamaica. For that reason, it is going to take 3 months or more, regardless of where you are in the world. Anyway, I am Gail of 876 Documents, and I thank you for watching.